So hello everybody, good evening and welcome back to our channel MG Global. Today I am going to show you a super luxury individual villa township project near central Kolkata location, just 15 to 20 minutes drive from Science City crossing and just 10 to 12 minutes drive from ITC Infotech and Infosys IT Park. So you can see it's a lovely space, totally customizable villa. So come and see this villa. So this villa is having almost 4 bedrooms and with having an built up area of around 3200 square feet approximately. So it's totally customizable from inside, and from outside you can see this is the swimming pool space. We are having plenty of space. So we are having 3 kind of villas. Number 1 is small villa with having an built up area of 2200 square feet approximately. This is medium size villa with having 3200 square feet approximately built up area, and we are having large size villa also with having an built up area of around 4200 square feet. Now let's explore from this side. You can have this lovely elevation. So it's a great elevation, and this is the entry of the villa. Let's come and see. And this is another entry and exit for your staffs. So your housemates can enter and exit from this side, and this is your main entry of the villa. So you can easily park 2 SUV vehicles over here. So it's totally customizable, and from this side you can see it's a cabana space. You can shade this also, and this is the main entry of this lovely individual villa, and these are all customizable from inside. And you can see we are having, particularly for individual villas, we are having DG backups. So this is the diesel generator backups. So for 24/7 electricity. And come from this side you can see the elevation, lovely elevation. And you can also see this project is having total 30 acres of land parcel in which we are developing 3 kind of villas. These are the broad driveways you can see, and already we have delivered more than 100 plus individual villas in this project. And the project is located such a location that New Town Infosys IT Hub and ITC Infotech IT Hub is just about 10 to 12 minutes from the project, and Science City crossing is just about 20 to 25 minutes driving distance from the project, and Ruby General Hospital crossing and Acropolis Mall is just about 25 to 30 minutes drive from the project. And the distance wise I am saying that ITC Infotech or Infosys IT Park is just 7 km from the project, and Ruby General Hospital is just about 14.5 km from the project, and Science City crossing is just about only 15 km from the project. As you can see, it's a lovely living cum dining area with having a huge area space, and this side you are having the washroom space. This is the entire lobby area. This is swimming pool space this side. Everything is so uniquely designed and decorated. This is your kitchen space. Come and see your kitchen. So this kitchen space is lovely with uniquely designed kitchen, and this side is your staff quarter. Entry and exit is there. So from the back side your staff can enter into this apartment. So you can see this. So this is the staff quarter entry and exit. This is staff washroom, and this is another staff quarter washroom, and this is another staff quarter washroom, staff quarter. So 2 staff quarter with 2 washrooms. And now, so let's come into this. So again, this is the living cum dining of the staff quarter. You can see the basin space separated, and this is the kitchen space. You can shift this kitchen anywhere. So only the toilets can be removed, but otherwise it's fully customizable. Again, swimming pool you have seen, and this side is the powder washroom space. So come and see the powder washroom with this lovely basin area. All premium CP and sanitary fittings we have given, and the clear height you can see we are also giving false ceiling. So the clear height of the villa is almost 11 feet. This is the first bedroom. This first bedroom comes with attached washroom space. This bedroom is having a size of almost 12 feet by almost 13.5 feet with this lovely washroom space with basin area, cubicles, shower cubicle, and this side will be your wall mount commode space. The windows, you can see it's lot of natural sunlight and beauty, and this is the first floor level. So it's currently under construction, so we cannot access the first floor level. Now let me explain you about the pricing of these villas. So as these are all customizable villas, you can opt for the bigger options with bigger area like land area. So this medium size villa is land area with having minimum 9 kata onwards. So if you opt for bigger one, then we can give you 20 kata, 25 kata, 30 kata, as per your requirement you can get, but the built up area will be around 3200 square feet. For smaller size villas, we are giving you minimum land area of 6 kata with having 2200 square feet built up area. So if you want bigger land area also, we can give you like 7 kata, 8 kata, 9 kata, 10 kata and 12 kata of land area also. And we are also giving you larger size villas with having 4200 square feet minimum area of those land area, starting from 12 kata goes up to 30 kata, 40 kata, whatever you want we can give you. This is totally customizable villas, and the most important thing is that we are having all modern facilities and amenities in this project, including clubhouse and all. And you can see it's a shower space separated, so everything is so nicely done up. So if you are really interested to know more about this project, come and visit with your family and friends, with your loved ones. And let me also mention you that in this project we are having a 5-star spa which is situated already, and we are upcoming with malls also. So this is one of the biggest project in Kolkata, biggest township, bungalow township project, and all individual bungalows, no row bungalows are there. And now about the pricing, which is most important. Our pricing for smaller size villas, 2200 square feet area, starting from 2.20 crore onwards. For medium size villas, this one, our price starting from 3.30 crore onwards. And for larger size villas, we are having pricing starts from 5 crore onwards. Thanks a lot for watching, loving our videos. Keep loving, keep supporting us, and please stay tuned for further updates.